In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cool intro in CapCut. We'll keep things simple, clean, and repeatable so you can reuse this intro across your videos without starting from scratch each time. Start by opening CapCut, either in your browser or in the app, and head into the editor so you're working on a blank canvas. The first thing to do is set your canvas to 16:9. This is the standard widescreen format for YouTube and most desktop viewing, and it gives you plenty of space to compose your visuals. Picking the right aspect ratio up front saves you from awkward cropping later and keeps your text and effects exactly where you intend them to be. Next, upload a video effect clip that will serve as the visual foundation of your intro. This could be a subtle light leak, a glitch burst, a particle background, or any short effect that adds energy without overpowering your text. Import it into your media, then drag it to the beginning of the timeline. Trim it so the intro lands around 3 to 5 seconds long, short enough to keep viewers engaged, but long enough to make an impact. If the effect doesn't fill the frame, scale it up so it covers the entire canvas, and center it so there are no black bars. Now, click on the text tool to start building your title. Instead of adding plain text, choose a design style from the available presets. These designs combine font, size, color, and sometimes subtle motion to give you a polished look quickly. Aim for high contrast so your title stays readable over the effect. Think light text on dark backgrounds or vice versa. If the preset allows, add a thin outline or a gentle shadow to boost legibility without making it look heavy. Edit the text to reflect your channel name, series name, or the video's topic. Keep it concise. 2 to 4 impactful words usually look strongest. You can break it into 2 lines for balance and reduce the size slightly to avoid crowding the frame. Check spelling, capitalization, and pacing so it feels professional and intentional. Finally, adjust the position of the text. Centering is classic and punchy, while the lower third feels cinematic and leaves room for visuals above. Use the snapping guides to align your title precisely and keep it inside the safe margins so nothing gets cut off on different screens. Make sure the text layer sits above the effect in the timeline. If the background feels too busy, slightly lower the effect's opacity to help the title pop. Give it a quick preview. If it reads clearly and feels dynamic, you've got a cool, reusable CapCut intro ready to go.